Alright, so now we're on the last part of the video. So the turkey burgers are done. And we have all of our necessary ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the stuffing. And it's okay to use your hand a little bit, as long as you wash it. If this was a restaurant though, you'd have to use a glove. Now you put the stuffing on. And you can eat some of the stuffing while you're making them too, that's okay. Get on there, get on there. Come on. Get that stuffing on there. The stuffing is like a really crucial ingredient. You have to have the stuffing on. Oh no, don't waste any. Okay, there we go. That one's good. And we get like a whole bunch out of here. Put it on that last one. This is gonna be good. Oh, trust me, it's gonna be good. I'm eating it now. I don't even care. I'm not wasting that one that fell down either. I'm eating that too. Delicious. Okay. That nice buttery stuffing on there. Okay. Alright, perfect. So now the turkey burgers have the stuffing on there. We have one plain one. If you're cooking and there's any kids that are going to be eating it, I highly recommend you have at least one plain one because kids can be picky. So, you put the stuffing on. Now we got to do our gravy. Now, I probably should have like a gravy ladle or something, because this can get a little bit messy, but yeah, you see what I'm doing with this. You just dump it on. Oops, that one's got a lot, and that one's got a lot. And this one's gonna get a lot. And the rest you put in the stuffing. Look at that. These are gonna be delicious. So then you put this on. And there you have it. Thanksgiving burgers. And it doesn't even have to be Thanksgiving. I'm making this in August. But pretty much, if you have something to be thankful for, you can make Thanksgiving burgers any day. And even if you just got the stuff to make this, that's something to be thankful for, because you're eating some delicious food. Or in my case, you eat delicious food, drinking Diet Pepsi, and have lots of cool video games and toys and stuff. But yeah. So we're thankful for this, and I think it looks delicious. I made enough for everybody so we can share them. And if there's any kids that like plain ones, there's a plain one. And we're gonna have a good time. So that's the Thanksgiving burger, brought to you from the Corner Slice Gaming Channel.